Okay, I'm going to keep going with multiple regression, but I'm going to do it in a kind of different way than I've done for many other videos. I'm going to run it and then I'm going to explain it. And that to me is so much easier. So go ahead and take this website. Let's see if it'll do it for me. I don't know if it'll do it for me. All right, then I'm going to, oops, come on. I'm going to go to a browser. I'm going to put it in my browser and it takes me exactly to where I need to be. So I'm going to use this wrinkle resistant data. So all I do is I download this data and I'm just going to put it on my desktop right now. Hit save. And then if I do open, hopefully it'll work for me. It's thinking. It's going to open it in Minitab for me. That's the great thing. So if you put it in the same place you have your Minitab, it should open it up for you. If not, download it and then open Minitab and open it. Okay, so what's going on here? So I'm going to go back to the slideshow. All right, so, okay, here's my problem. A research chemist wants to understand how several predictors are associated with the wrinkle resistance on cotton cloth. The chemist examined 32 pieces of cotton cellulose produced at different settings of curing times, curing temperatures, formaldehyde concentration, and catalyst ratios. The durable press rating, a measure of wrinkle resistance, was recorded for each piece of the cotton. You're going to use this data to fit the regression model. Okay, yeah, do I understand everything that's going on with this problem? Nope, but as statisticians, a lot of times you don't. But what you're looking for is you're going to see if there's a relationship between that wrinkle resistant and those other different categories they gave to you. So always when you're looking at it, go ahead and look and see what everything means. So again, the rating of the wrinkle resistance is my Y variable, my response variable, my dependent variable. Everything else, my concentration, my ratio, my temperature, and my time are all my X variables. And here you can see like concentration is the formaldehyde concentration, ratio is catalyst ratio, temperature is temperature, and amount of time. Okay, so while I don't understand everything that's going on here, I can understand my variables this way. All right, so what I'm going to do is, again, I open my data. So then if you need it, it's right here. So, okay, I'm going to go to stats, I'm going to go regression, and I'm going to go regression here, fitted regression model. Okay, my responses, remember, I'm going to go back here if you get confused. My responses is my rating because it's my only Y variable. Okay, so my responses is ratings. My continuous predictors is concentration, ratio, temperature, and time. Oops. And see how I put those all in there? If I had had one of these that was in a category, I would have put them in categorical data, but I'm treating everything as quantitative data. I'm going to go to options. Oops. Is that right? No, I'm sorry. I'm not going to go to options. I'm going to go to, where is it? Graphs. And I want all my individual plots. I'm going to do 4 and 1. Okay. And then I hit OK. Let me make sure I'm doing that right. And if you get confused, again, go here and I tell you what to do. Okay. Oh, and I want, yeah, and there was one thing I did miss. So let me go back to it. And then if I go back to graphs, come on. I need to do this again. I need my concentration. I need my ratio. I need all my X's in this too. Okay. Why? Because I need to look at the residuals to make sure nothing bad's going on. So I hit OK. Hit OK. You're going to get a bunch of stuff that pops up. And it might take a while because it's thinking of how to process this. Okay. So I have a lot of stuff that's propped up. If I keep going down, you can see all your graphs, which is wonderful. Okay, I'm going to go back to the PowerPoint because I have everything here that will make my life easier. Okay, but again, here's what I'm looking at. I did what I needed to do, and it gave me my regression equation, my coefficients, my model summary, my analysis of variance, my fit and diagnostics of unusual observations. Here's my 401 plot. I'll explain that in a minute. And here's all my residual plots. Okay. I have everything that I need. So I'm just going to go back to the PowerPoint and talk about them.